Good day, everyone. My name is Lolito Junior Cuesta, and today I want to share my understanding in doing life history and biographical research. For introduction, studying history is not only about nation, events, and societies. It is also about the lives of individuals who experience, shape, and respond to the world around them. For my explanation, studying history through life stories help us see that history is not only about big events, it is also about real people and their experiences. By living about someone's life, we understand how ordinary individuals are affected by society and how they can influence change. The purpose of life history. The purpose of life history and biographical research is to show how a person's experience connect to bigger events in history. It helps us understand how individuals, whether famous or ordinary, are shaped by their time, community, and environment, and how their action can influence society. Why study and do life history? We study and do life history research to understand how people's real experiences shape society and history. Makatabang siya sa history to connect in our own families and community to make it more interesting and meaningful. Thanks for watching.